So, y'all, don't judge me, okay? I want to make that disclaimer before I continue this video. But please don't judge me, okay? I'm sorry. Just don't judge me. All right? Let's make that clear. But I'm a single man. You know, I'm working. I'm always moving and, always on the go, doing this, doing that. And, sometimes I forget some stuff and, yeah. So, I want to do a review of things left in my refrigerator. I haven't cleaned out my refrigerator, so I'm doing a little bit cleaning. It's Sunday, and I decided to do a little cleaning today. And I want to clean out my refrigerator because it's been a very, very, very long time since I cleaned out my refrigerator. And let's see what we can find. All right, so you open it up, you don't see too much, but oh my God. Oh my goodness. Wow. I just don't like. I just go in here, get what I need, get something to drink. Those bananas just have been overlooked for months. All right, let's see what else. Spinach. It's gone bad. What else do we got here? Let's see. What is... These were some... green peppers, maybe? Oh my goodness. Let's see what's in this bowl. Because I hate washing dishes, so sometimes I just leave food in here that I don't want to eat no more. Okay, let's see. Some hamburger dip I made probably over some months ago. I can't even tell you. Alright, what is else here? Okay, move this out the way. Move that out the way. Look, see? Just throw empty bowls in here. It's crazy. Let's see if this feta still some good. It's hard to do stuff with one hand. That feta still good. Not too bad. Some jelly. Oh, what do we have here? Some fresh garlic that I didn't use all the way. Throwing that away. Oh, what is in this bowl? What is in this bowl? Oh my goodness! Kale. It was some kale I had made. I forgot about this. I'm not ready. What is this? What is this? A little onion. Half an onion that I didn't finish. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This was some, when I had my friend's son over here, this was some, I don't know, I believe ravioli or something. Wow. Oh, what is this? I'm scared to open it. Oh, okay. I might can use a little bit of, nah, I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all, don't judge me. This is a little ranch. Look, what is this on here? What is this? What is that? Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that? So I see what it is. Some chopped up tomatoes. that's spoiled. Okay, oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness, January 18th. 2% milk. Oh my gosh. And look, it is true when it's old. I saw this on TikTok. It says when the milk is old, that pops out. I never knew that, but hey, it is true. It does pop out. Oh wow. What is this? Oh, that's still good. Some tuna. I know it's not good because it's been a while. It's not good. It's just ridiculous. Wow, okay, let's go in here. Some apples, they're still good and hard. I put my sweet potatoes in my refrigerator. I think that kind of preserves them because they don't look that bad. I got some Brussels sprouts that don't look good. Broccoli don't look good. I hate wasting food, y'all. It's just ridiculous. I promise y'all, I am not nasty. Oh my gosh. Raspberry, look at this. This is ridiculous. Don't be like me. I'm sure there's not a lot of people that's out here doing this. My freezer's good, but I'm sure that you all are keeping your refrigerator clean. I sure hope so, because I just found some surprises. This is crazy. Let me get to cleaning this refrigerator. I'll holler at y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I know I haven't been uploading a lot on my Boundless Life with T YouTube channel, but I'm gonna start doing more stuff. And I decided to share, y'all, the cleaning of the refrigerator and finding this stuff. But if you come across this video, you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video, comment. Just, whatever. I'm down for whatever. Give me whatever you feel in a comment. I'm down with it. But remember, to live that boundless life, we're going to go for the highest to the highest heights. We doing this, y'all. We living that boundless life. Holla.